pop them hoes. Hold up, wait 1 minute. Hold up, wait 1 minute.
Okay, so hey guys, today I want to be showing you guys my wash day routine. You guys have been asking for this for literally the longest time now, so I thought I should probably just get to it. So I'm first starting off on a old wash and go. Honestly, this is like I want to say like a 6-day-old wash and go. I could have probably went longer than that, but I just was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just wash it so you guys can see. I was actually kind of shocked because my curl pattern looked really weird. I think it was mainly because I had a lot of gel in my hair. When I do wash and go, I typically put a lot of gel inside of my hair, so I think that's kind of why it looked the way that it did. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is sectioning off one side of my hair because I like to work in sections. I just feel like it's easier for me to do it like that. And I was right here, I was like kind of talking about how my curl pattern looked kind of weird. I don't know why it looked like that, but yeah. Okay, so first thing I'm going to be doing is taking my Main Choice Pink Lemonade Shampoo. And I'm going to be putting this on my scalp. I usually just co-wash my hair, but recently I've been using shampoo because I've been going to the pool out lately, and it's just really good to deep clean my hair with shampoo. Plus, I put a lot of gel on my hair like I mentioned earlier, so I need that like nice cleanse that a co-wash really can't give me. I'm focusing this shampoo mainly on my scalp. I don't really try to put it on my ends. It doesn't actually strip my hair. This is actually a really good shampoo. It leaves my hair feeling really nice and soft and manageable, and just like, y'all, this is that. Okay, so I definitely recommend trying this out, and it's really it's a really good product in general. Even though for the price that it is, it's really good. So I'm gonna be just putting this all over my hair and just kind of raking it through, kind of detangling a little bit, but mainly just, you know, doing that. Next, I'm going to be taking my Main Choice 3-in-1 conditioner and putting this on my hair. While I'm putting the conditioner in, I like to finger detangle my hair. I don't like using a comb when I finger detangle or when I detangle my hair in general, because I just feel like I don't know, it leaves my hair feeling like really rough and like poofy and stuff. So I finger detangle it. Plus I feel like I can be more gentle on my hair this way. Okay, so now moving on to my deep treatment. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner with argan oil and sea kelp. I literally love this stuff so much. It's so moisturizing. And then I'm going to be using this hair recovery cream. I'm not even really sure what brand this is. I just kind of got this from my aunt. Are you serious? I'm just going to be distributing this all throughout my hair, and after I'm all done, I'm going to add some more, and then I'm going to be putting it up into a tight bun. Typically, when I do a deep treatment, I leave my hair up in 2 buns with like an actual cap on top of it, and I literally leave that in for like an hour. But because I was filming today and I had to really get this video up, I didn't have time to do all that. But typically, that's what I would do. And now I'm doing the exact same thing I did to that side of my hair. On this other side of my hair, shampooing it, conditioning it with the same products, all that type of stuff. So yeah. Oh, I also like to put my hair like that comes out of my head that like falls out on the wall of the bathtub. I don't know why I do that, but it makes it easier for me to clean my hair up after I'm done with, like, in the bathroom and stuff. I don't know, a little hack if you guys don't know what to do with the hair. I don't really know. Alright, so that is pretty much it for my wash day routine. Pretty simple, self-explanatory, nothing really fancy about what I do. If you guys want to see a how I style my hair video, like flexi rods, wash and go, I know you guys want to see it, but if you do, just comment down below. And that is typically it for my wash day. Hope that you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Down here, I feel like I have more 4A here, and then up here, this is where some of my heat damage is, but most of it is gone. But you can see it's like more wavier than it is like down here, if that makes sense. Oh my god. I ain't go nowhere. I don't even know why I just did all that.
They take pictures just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous.